Hey everybody, it's Patty from Chatty Patty's Place, and I wanted to show you some of the great kits that are available this year at Sephora.com and in all Sephora stores. And these gifts are perfect for anyone on your holiday list. Sephora has a large collection of kits and beauty products that are available for men and women. They have price ranges to fit any budget. And if you visit their website, you can look under the gift tab and it'll list a bunch of different options and ideas for you to have for your holiday season. So let's go over some of the things that I received from Sephora and see what you think. So first of all, we have the Sephora collection. This is the glitter instilled beauty sponge, and as you can see, it has some sparkle inside, so it's designed to give your face a little sparkle during the holiday season. This retails for $10. Makes a perfect stocking stuffer. It's a cute gift for if you just want to get something little for all your girlfriends. If you have a little get together for the holidays, this is a really cute gift for you to hand out to all of your friends. It can be used as also a little Christmas ornament, and you know, the sponges are really useful, so it's a really cute gift for that. So that retails for $10 at Sephora. Okay, the next item I have is the Sephora lip stain. These are the cream lip stain collections. There's colors that match any skin tone. You see it from neutrals to dark. This one retails for $28. It contains 6 different cream stains. And that makes a great gift for anybody who, you know, you got that one friend that's always putting lip gloss on. Hey, this is the perfect gift for her. I know that's me. I'm that person, so that would be a perfect gift for me for the holidays for sure. The next one we have are the cologne collections, and the nice thing about the cologne collection, this has I believe it's like between 10 and 12. I'm not sure the exact amount. Well, I'm sure it'll show you here. Okay, so there's 10 samples inside here. They're not full-size bottles, they're cologne samples. Let me see if I can just open this up and I can show you what's inside. So the cologne kit is great for any guy. It's great for your boss, your boyfriend, your husband. And inside you have a bunch of samples of different colognes. And there's also a certificate inside. And you could take the certificate to Sephora store. You can't do it online. You have to go to a physical store. And you can choose a full-size cologne of any of the products that are inside the bag. So, like I said, there's 10 inside for them to try, and whichever one they like the best, they take that coupon, they go to Sephora, and they can choose a bottle of that. Now, there are some exclusions that apply because you can only get a certain size bottle. I mean, it's a decent sized bottle, but if you go to the website, Sephora.com, and click on the gift tabs and you look up the cologne sampler, you'll get all the details. Or you can visit my blog, www.chattypattysplace.com. I have some direct links for you to get more information on that. So this is a really great gift. It's a great way to try out for your guy to try out new colognes, see what he likes. Okay, now, on that same premise, we also have the perfume sampler, which is the same as the cologne sampler, but it's with perfume. So this is great for anyone who loves to wear fragrances, who loves to try new things. This one contains all the samples of everything you see here on the cover and the sample size. And it also has their certificate inside where they can go to your local Sephora store and pick out a full-size bottle of their favorite perfume to try. And once again, exclusions apply. It's a certain size, full-size bottle that you can get with the coupon. Visit www.chattypattysplace.com for more information, or you can visit Sephora and search the perfume sampler, and it'll give you details on that as well. So you can see all the great scents. So if there's a certain scent, you know, that you always wanted to try, or a few scents you always wanted to try but you didn't want to get a full-size bottle, this is a great way to do that. This makes a great gift for any woman on your shopping list. Great for a boss as well, your friends. So the cologne sampler and the perfume sampler both retail for $65. Okay. And the last product that I received from Sephora is the Sephora Advent Calendar. And this is the Once Upon a Castle Advent Calendar. Now, I do believe that this is sold out already. So, it went really fast. The Advent Calendars always go really fast on Sephora. So, there are other Advent Calendars that are very nice that are also available. But this one just happens to be sold out. This retails, I believe this retailed for $35. Like I said, there's perfume advent calendars, there's other makeup advent calendars, but the way this works is there's 24 different compartments in this box, and each day leading up to Christmas, starting December 1st, they would open up a door and receive a different product. So this is, I always love these advent calendars. That's why they're so popular, because there's so many different things and products for them to try inside. So if you go to my website, www.chattypattiesplace.com, you can see what was inside or what would be inside. So if you have this advent calendar, you may not want to go to my website and spoil the fun, but if it's something that you may be interested in for the future, because they're always coming out with different ones, you can just get an idea of what would be inside the advent calendar. So, like I said, there are other ones available. I think there's this was Once Upon a Castle. I think there's a Wish Upon a Star that's available. So you can get that information on my blog at www.chattypattiesplace.com, or you can go to Sephora.com, click on the gift tabs, or search Advent Calendar, and all the Advent calendars available, excuse me, will come up on their website. So these are just some of the things that are available for the holidays this season from Sephora. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in a comment, and I'll try to get answers for you. Remember, Sephora isn't only just for the holidays. They have all your beauty needs all year round, and they have great prices, great selection, great quality from all your favorite brands. So look them online, visit them in the stores. They also have some pop-ups in certain stores like JCPenney's and things like that. So remember, for all your beauty products this year, visit Sephora, and you have a great day.